Hello everyone, my name is Agatha Kofun. I'm a student of the YU Idaho. I major in applied health. Today I'll be talking about coronavirus and its effect on everyone, most especially those with underlying health condition or health problem. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus, according to the World Health Organization, is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Most people infected with this virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and require medical condition. Other people and also those with underlying medical conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, or cancer are more likely to develop illness. Anyone can get sick from coronavirus and become seriously ill, and can die at any age. The best way to prevent this coronavirus from spreading is to maintain a social distance. And if we even if we feel the person we are maintaining social distance is not sick, we should do so. And also wear a mask when we are in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Open windows when you are indoors to allow ventilation. Clean your hands often. Wash with clean water and soap. And also use a hand-based or alcohol-based sanitizer. And also get vaccinated when it's your turn and follow the health guidelines or COVID-19 protocol. If you have fever or cough, or you have difficulty in breathing, seek for medical attention. Call in advance so your health provider can direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the virus from spreading. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye.